And I don't want that. No daemon, only watch one directory. Watch source server.js. Okay, so nodemon I want to change in my package.json file because I have concurrently running, and then this should just be watching this dist index.js file is what I thought it was doing, but maybe that's not the case. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these TS files and move them into a source folder. And then this source folder will be where I do all of my work. Update. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, great. Now in Chrome, it says that we can do no daemon watch source server.ts. As right now, we just have this dist index.js. So maybe I'll just change that to watch the source changes in the source file. So let's say that, and then, well, we still need to run, wait a second, what? We still need to run this file, the index.js, though. So maybe this is like a grep thing. Okay, so now I don't want to lose control of my keyboard again because that was crazy. But let's do npm run dev, and then I'll kill it if it starts resetting. Can't find source. Okay. What you mean by that, though? Node watch source. Okay, yep. Cannot find this source. It's right there, though. Oh, does it have to be the nodemon watch and run tsc compiler? All right, let's try this guy's code. This watch server, and then this is going to watch anything in the source directory, and then do tsx exec ts node on index.ts, right? This is what we want. And then I'm going to close this, and I'm going to do npm run watch server, and it crashed because I don't have ts node, but I do have tsc. But I shouldn't need. Oh, well, that's great. It created a bunch of files that I didn't want. Oh no, now it's using a different tsconfig file. Oh man, that's a bummer. Okay, so my thought process is that this watch source ets tsx exec tsc thing just didn't work. That's my thought process. But I think what I can do is I can just get rid of all of these files, and then we'll be fine. So I'm going to get rid of this file, and I'm going to get rid of this file. And delete these. Okay, so we need a little bit of a smarter nodemon here, because what was happening is that there's some file in this directory that nodemon was picking up on and was causing an infinite loop. I do have a nodemon ignore thing here where I have file embeddings.json. And I should maybe add in just the directory for Qdrant storage. Can I do that? Because if I can do that, that would just be great. Because then I could just go back here and change this back to index.js. And I could just run npm run dev again. And please don't crash my computer. Okay, nothing's crashed yet. But I don't know if I'm actually calling anything. Okay, I am. Okay, I still get to use my keyboard, but it seems that it's stuck on this watching for file changes now. Oh, I guess I did move it into source. So I have to go back into the package JSON and say that, or I'm in the tsconfig JSON and change the root directory or the base URL. Which one is it? Base URL. Specify the base directory to non-relative module names. Okay, so let's do this one. And then we'll call it source. All right, let's try again. Server dist.server.js. Okay, so now if I change this to like plus points added. Okay. However, it's not doing anything. Console writing to Qdrant collection. Okay, so now this isn't showing up at all. Is it root dir or base URL? So that's kind of interesting. I don't, hold on, I'll just Google it. TypeScript source directory. Maintain source folder structure when building to dist folder. Root dir source. Root dir source include source. The structure under root dir is what's mirrored under out dir. So in Visual Studio Code, that means that we don't have a we don't have that. I don't know what it's talking about. TSCW. Uh-huh. Okay. I think I need to build again. Yeah, I think that's the problem. I think I need to run build because I changed my TS config. Okay, now let's try it. So my disk didn't change at all. This one does have the writing to Qgent collection. Yet in the package.json, oh my god, I'm running server.js. So cringe. Oh jeez. Holy fuck. Okay, then I have to rerun it. Okay, cool. So it only ran it twice, which is better.